The hardest part about this job, or what I don't like the most, is having to convince people of how great the product is or how great the proposal is. The product is fantastic. They don't believe us on how much we can save them. It's too good to be true sometimes. I've sat across from somebody and he's like, I've got to be some kind of idiot not to do this if everything you say is true. And we get to point out numbers by numbers where it's true and where it's accurate. So having overcome those objections is the worst part. When you're out there trying to do something for these people and you're like dragging them kicking and screaming to the finish line, that's the hard part. Funnest part of my job is actually going out and seeing customers. And in my role, I get to go all across the country, so I love that part. I love to go places like Phoenix for the NASCAR races and seeing our work. I love going to Indianapolis and visiting a customer that flew in from Japan to see me and have a meeting with me. I love that. And of course, I love meeting all our reps all across the country, and I love the difference we've made in their lives. And that is always a very positive and affirming experience for me. It's interesting when you go in and you see these like really dark environments that they're not being able to function properly. They can't do their job, or they've had massive OSHA fines, and you go in and you save the day. You're the hero. That's a pretty intense feeling when you can come in and wear the white hat and make a difference. It's like the police officer that came into one of our jobs after we had just finished and said, "Thank you for what you guys did. It makes my job so much easier." That is a fantastic story that I'll always have and makes me feel really good about what we've done. The best part of the job is actually being able to help people, making them successful. We go in and we change so much about their environment. When someone gave me hugs for not having headaches anymore, I mean, that really makes my day. And then, of course, when the one customer told me that I paid for both of his daughters to go to college that year, that made me very happy. So those are probably my favorite parts, other than the money. Love the money.